Go, AJ, go.
Have to hold it.
Any push me? Mommy, how about you hold that? Okay, hold it.
But I'm videoing you.
Fine.
She's busy. That one's staying up all right. Don't touch it.
Cameron, Cameron, can you push me?
It's hooked on a knot.
Oh. Can you push me, Katie?
I got it.
Oh, okay. You want to push or hold?
Whee! Push or hold, Cameron. Push or hold. Ah! Ah!
Whoa, spinning. Hold on, AJ.
I don't want to kick anybody in the face. Ah!
AJ, put your knees in. You'll go faster.
I will. No, I don't want to go faster. Ah! I'm running into a tree or something.
No, you're not. You're not going to run into a tree.
I better not. Whee! Yeah.
Okay, watch your hand. That's probably enough
Oh, yeah.
spinning because it'll tighten around his hand.
Okay, AJ, now put your knees in.
I can't really hold on.
Yeah, you're holding on fine.
No, I can't